Don't lose your smile. Nothing is more valuable than that. Enjoy alone. Never depends on anyone. For happiness, make your own way and enjoy alone. Never disrespect your father. He has silently sacrificed everything for your comfort and happiness. Sometimes I feel like I am disturbing anyone, so I just turn silent. Life is unexpected journey, so never expect anything from anyone. I secretly cry every night because I know only I can understand myself. No one notices your tears. No one notices your sadness. No one notices your pains. But they all notice your mistakes. I hate two things: comparing me with others, comparing my dreams for others. Never get too attached to anyone unless they also feel the same towards you, because one sided expectations can mentally destroy you. Smile is the best medicine for any problem, so keep smile. Life is really nothing without love and care. Give it to everyone, but don't expect it back because it's a feel not deal. Trust is like glass. Once broken, it will never be the same again. Never trust sweet words because nowadays people have sugar on their lips and poison in their heart. I overthink, I overlove, I overcare, I overtrust, and in return get overhurt. True love never dies because true love always waits. I never fake care to anyone what I give. I give from my heart. Life is so beautiful gift of God. Many problems will come in your life, but you have to face them with your smile. Adjustment is not important in a life, but understanding is most important in a life. I don't care you are good or bad. If you respect me, I will respect you. I am not happy. I am not sad. But I am missing someone in my life. Three mistakes of my life. I trust easily. I care for everyone. I don't cheat. Don't forget to smile because your smile is very beautiful. Someone asked me, "Who hurt you?" I replied, "My own expectations." Value the person who give you time. It's not a just time. They share a part of life with you. Only a mother can love you without reason, without cries. Ego is not important in life, but self-respect is most important in life. I am waiting for the day when we will travel together like this. Dear life, please don't make me cry again and again. I don't have any who can make me stop crying. Never lose today's happiness by thinking about yesterday pain. Notice the people who make an effort to stay in your life. If you know how quickly people forget the dead, you will stop living to impress people. Stop expecting everyone to have the same heart as you. The moment you accept yourself, you become beautiful. If you don't sacrifice for what you want becomes the sacrifice. When you realize it was actually your fault because you know from the beginning what type of person they were. If you liked to this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.